Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Gather tools and ingredients before you begin so the process is smooth and sanitary. You will need a sterile one. 5-inch needle or pin, a pair of tweezers, empty gelatin capsules size 00 that hold about 3 ml, and commercial vitamin E soft gels labeled 400 IU or similar. Prepare a clean glass bowl and paper towel, wash hands for 20 seconds, and disinfect the workspace with rubbing alcohol. Work near a trash bowl to discard shells safely, and keep a small permanent marker for labeling finished capsules. To fill a capsule, first puncture a vitamin E soft gel with the sterile needle and squeeze all the oil into a small glass bowl. Avoid touching the tip to surfaces. With tweezers, pick up an empty size 00 capsule, separate the cap and body gently, and use a clean disposable pipette or the edge of the needle to transfer the measured oil into the body until it reaches the brim but does not overflow. Rejoin the cap and press firmly until the seam is flush. Wipe any excess oil with a sanitized cloth. After filling, label the container with the vitamin strength, the date made, and the intended dose per capsule so you avoid accidental overdose. Store completed capsules in an amber glass vial or airtight container away from heat and sunlight. Keep them under 77 degrees F to preserve potency and prevent oil breakdown. For safety, consult a clinician before altering dose or using during pregnancy or with blood thinner medications. Do not exceed published daily limits, and discard any cap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.